Bow wow 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 wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Bow wow wow wow.
What the heck are those things? I don't know. They look like...
Pancakes.
I don't think they're
Pancakes.
Really? We should stick our fingers all in them and feel around.
No, do not do that. Those are...
Landmines.
Do you understand me? If you touch those,
Landmines.
you will go...
Well, what else are we supposed to do? You know, we were trying to get through and there's, landmines blocking our path and we can't get around them. What are we supposed to do? Yeah.
You gotta be sneaky. You gotta be quick. See that? This is what you gotta do. You gotta slide in. Make sure nobody's looking. Undetected. Flippy. Gotta be slick.
Well, looks like you and me have a little problem here. Well, yeah. Yeah, exactly. What the hell's going on here? What is all of this? What is the...
Pancakes, those pancakes.
Pancakes laying all over the table. Yeah, those are landmines, not...
Pancakes.
So don't touch them.
And they burn. Trust us.
What? This is nonsense. I gotta get to my job. Okay, I don't have time for pancake bombs or whatever the hell these are. Well, I'm sorry, sir, but we had the same problem as you. We don't know what to do, man. Sorry.
Ugh.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to jump over the mines. Wait, what? Jump over them? Get a little space here. Well, if that's what you want to do, here we go.
I can't feel my arms.
Hey, look! Only half of the mines are left. That means we can get through now. Where do you say we go? Well, I don't see why not.
It's just...
Pancakes.
Don't worry. Alright, what do you say we get the heck out of here,
Hold on a second there. Hold on a second there, right?
Everybody come here! There's
Pancakes.
laying everywhere for everybody! Come get them!
I'm gonna stick my face all over it.
I like to sit on my pancakes.
It's a bad joke. It's a bad joke. Yeah, it's horrible, I know.